back again. No way. These little trailers are harder to back than the caravan. It's good practice. Okay, so straight back. I feel like I need to go that way. Take 4. He's out there now, so now he's pointing off to my right, so I'm going to go that way. Nope. He's pointing that way, so I have to turn. I guess I've got to get the trailer straight again. I feel like I need to go towards my right, but he's not pointing at anything at the moment. He's now pointing right. The dog needs steering up.
You just need to go a bit more this. You need to be about here.
Whole car. Do you want to just pull me over?
Just go forward.
Come on, muscles. It's only 4 tons.
Just go forward a bit, but go to that side and then straighten up the whole width.
And I'm doing zigzags again. God, I hate little trailers. At least he's being patient with me. I'm too much that way. I need to turn that way, so bottom hand right.
The less you got to correct, the easier it is.
I feel like the boat's still too much off to
so
my
just
left.
a little bit angle on that.
220 years later, I'm getting there.
Just keep it. Make your eyes, make sure it's keeping that level.
I think it's going too much to the right.
Or just a slight adjustment. Yeah, that way. Just a little bit. Now you're gonna have to straighten it up.
This is a step now. Oh, there's no one here. He's off to the right, so I've got to put the left hand up because I want the back of the boat to go to the left. And I'm going to straighten it up.
Right. That's good. So just keep going. That's good. Just a tiny amount to the left. So that's it. Corrections.
Well, it looks like my rear wheel's really close. Husbands, if you need to teach your wives, take note from this, because at least his has been so patient. I need to go left, so
Straighten up the wheels. That way, that's it.
So I've got it down the ramp, but we realise we've still got the tie downs on the boat on, so I think it's just untying the boat. I reckon that probably took us about 10-15 minutes, you know, but he's been so patient. Because he likes to do the right hand down, left hand down, which I kind of get that, but I prefer to have my hand at the bottom and do the left hand up, right hand up. So we just got to get our method same. It's amazing how men's and women's minds work in different ways. It's good practice. I haven't backed the boat down the boat ramp yet. I'll film forward so you can see how long this boat ramp is. The boat's off.
Wait, hang on.
So that's how steep the boat ramp is. And now handbrake on Land Cruisers. Oh shit. But I was just about to say, thank you for your unfounded patience with that. More husbands need to be like my husband here and be patient with their wives when they're learning how to
thank
back.
you.